So you're looking at buying a new Hyundai, but you don't know what to pick, whether it be a traditional gas engine or a hybrid? Well, let me walk you through some of the advantages of our Hyundai hybrid models, because they are truly magnificent. So stay tuned. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is John. I'm here today at Patrick Hyundai, part of the Patrick dealer group in Schaumburg, Illinois. And today I'm going to be telling you why you should be looking into buying a hybrid for your next car, specifically a Hyundai hybrid, because they're awesome. I'm going to tell you about all of the advantages, so stay tuned. I'm currently sitting in a 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. It's one of our most popular hybrid models, so I thought it would be a good candidate to use as an example for some of the comparisons and stats that I have for you today. So Hyundai currently has a ton of hybrid models. We have the Tucson, which I'm sitting in now. We have the Santa Fe, and then the Elantra and the Sonata. So pretty much all of our most popular models, we're going to have a gas-powered and a hybrid version as well. The first big difference that you're going to notice when comparing a traditional ICE or internal combustion engine model to a hybrid is going to be the price. Typically for Hyundais, the hybrid is about $4,000 more, but that doesn't really tell the whole story. The average Hyundai owner owns their vehicle for about 7 years. So over the course of that 7 years, with the fuel savings that you'll get from having the hybrid version, you'll actually end up saving over $4,200. So the price really evens itself out, and that's based on an average of 15,000 miles a year. So if you drive even more than that, then those savings are going to come a lot quicker. But besides the initial uptick in the car's price, the rest of the story is really all about savings. So the 2025 Tucson does an average of 25 mpg and can go about 480 miles on a full tank, while the hybrid gets 38 miles per gallon and can do 521 miles per tank. So you're going to end up going a lot farther on that tank of gas, and that's also going to bring down your monthly fuel costs by a ton. So back in the earlier days of hybrids, they got kind of a bad rap, which is kind of unfortunately stuck around with them. People think that they're slow, people think that they're heavy, people think that they don't handle well because of all the heavy battery packs. Well, fast forwarding to 2024 and 2025, the hybrid models are actually typically faster than the gas-powered variants because you get those extra batteries, which have improved greatly in the past few years. They'll give you a lot more power, make for a lot smoother gear shifts, make for a lot smoother accelerations, and just overall be a much more pleasant ride. You'll really notice the difference, especially in the pickup and with everyday driving. These cars aren't really slow at all anymore, and typically, again, they're faster than the gas-powered variants, all again while getting better fuel economy. And then another big talking point that gets brought up is servicing for these cars. Of course, you have a more complex engine setup in the car with the hybrid assist, but don't worry because these Hyundais have been found to be truly reliable and you get America's best warranty with these cars. So like I said, the average owner owns these cars for 7 years. Well, the powertrain warranty on this car is 10 years or 100,000 miles, full powertrain warranty, everything is covered. So if anything did happen to happen, which again is unlikely because these cars are built like tanks as far as reliability, then you're not going to have to spend $1 and everything is going to be covered for a decade. That's right, a decade. Just unbelievable with the amount of warranty, the peace of mind, everything when it comes to servicing these cars, we have taken care of for you. So I hope these few little facts helped you out in your car buying journey. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to call us or stop by. We'll be happy to help you at any time. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I also want to thank you all for watching previous videos that I posted this year. Worked really hard on them. Hope you guys enjoy it. I know I'm getting a little bit better at it. Still a little bit new to this YouTube thing, but I'm getting the hang of it and I'm enjoying it a lot. So thank you all so much for watching. Also, if you could do me a favor, please like and comment and let us know what you want to see in future videos. That would really help us out with 2025. So thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in 2025 with a lot more content, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much. Have a great day.